How to make a YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Michael, and today we are looking at how to make a YouTube account so that you can upload videos and post them on social media. Now, there's a lot of people that don't know how to do this. So today we're going to look through some of the quick ways that you can make a YouTube channel and get started with uploading video and start creating content for your social media. We're looking at creating a YouTube channel. Now, a lot of clients who hire me to film online courses or promotional videos always say to me at the end, 9 times out of 10, they say, how do I use this? What do I do? How do I upload it? And I say, well, put it on YouTube and then just share the link or embed it onto your website. And a lot of clients say to me, I don't know how to do that. So I decided it's probably a good idea to make a selection of videos focused on YouTube to get people to be able to create a YouTube channel, to be able to upload videos, and to get their head around the interface that YouTube has. So in today's video, I'm going to share a screen with you so that you can have a little look from start to finish how to make a YouTube channel. What you're going to need is an email address, a memorable password that you can keep safe, and that's pretty much it. So let's dive into the video and have a little look at how you create a YouTube channel. Hello, so today we are looking at creating a YouTube account. So first of all, what we need to do is go to Google Chrome, go to search and type in YouTube. And then YouTube should be the first one that comes up. Now, this is YouTube. This is YouTube before you sign in and create an account. And as you can see, there are various videos that you can watch from people that are currently on YouTube. I'm just going to press got that and get rid of that. So up on the top right hand side, we have a sign in button. We're going to click that. And we are going to create an account, which is down here on this side, and we're going to manage my business. So first of all, what we're going to do is type in our name and spell it wrong and pop that in there, and then here we're going to use an email address that I have already typed in previously. We're going to create a password that I've already created. Just confirm that one, press next. So now we're on this page. This is verify your email address. So what you're going to do is go over to your email and check for the latest email that comes through from Google. It will give you a code, and then you just copy it straight into this section here. So we just paste it in there and press verify. So it's asking for a phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to type it in at this stage, but I am going to add my date of birth, which is just down here. 80s baby, male, and then press next. Okay, so this is the privacy and terms. Google just want to make sure that you're happy with their terms and conditions. So we're going to press agree to the Google terms of service, agree to the processing of my information as described above and further explained in the privacy policy. So let's create the account, and then just to confirm, this Google account is set up to include personalization features like recommendations and personalized ads, which are based on personal information saved. So what we're going to do is just press confirm on that, and it's now creating your YouTube account. And then what we do, we just go up to sign in. And there we have it. We have a YouTube account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video has helped you. If you've got any more questions, please feel free to drop a comment and I will be more than happy to get back to you and answer any questions that you may have that I've not covered in this video. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe and I will be sharing a lot more videos regarding YouTube and other social media platforms that you can embrace video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.